Hello kids, welcome to my classroom. Today we will learn maths for class 1. Numbers from 51 to 70. Fill in the blanks. 5 tens and 1. Then 20, 30, 40 and 50. And 1, 5 and 1, 51. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. 1 and 2, 52. 5 tens, you have to draw 5 tens and 3 ones. 50, 51, 52 and 53. 5 and 3, 53. 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 and 4, 54. 5 tens and 5 ones. 50, 51, 52, 53, 54 and 55. 5 and 5, 55. 5 tens and 6 ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55 and 56. 5 and 6, 56. 5 tens and 7 ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56 and 57. 5 and 7, 57. 5 tens and 8 ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57 and 58. 5 and 8. 5 tens and 9 ones. You have to draw 9 lines. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58 and 59. 5 and 9, 59. 5 tens and 1 ten. 50 plus 10, 60. 6 and 0, 60. 6 tens and 1. 60 and 1, 61. 60 and 2, 6 and 2, 62. 60 and 3, 61, 62 and 63. 6 and 3. 6 tens, you have to draw 6 tens and 4 ones. 6 and 4, 64. 6 tens and 5 ones. You have to draw 5 lines. 6 and 5, 65. 6 tens and 6 ones. 6 and 6, 66. 6 tens and 7 ones. 6 and 7, 67. 6 tens and 8 ones. 6 and 8, 68. 6 tens and 9 ones. 6 and 9, 69. 6 tens and 1 ten. 60 plus 10, 70. 7 and 0. Numbers from 71 to 90. 7 tens and 1. 7 and 1, 71. 7 tens and 2 ones. 7 and 2, 72. 7 tens and 3 ones. 1, 2, 3. 7 and 3, 73. 7 tens and 4 ones. 7 and 4, 74. 7 tens and 5 ones. 7 and 5, 75. 7 tens and 6 ones. 7 and 6, 76. You have to draw 6 lines. 7 tens and 7 ones. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76 and 77. 7 and 7, 77. 7 tens and 8 ones. 7 and 8, 78. 7 tens and 9 ones. 7 and 9, 79. 7 tens and 1 ten, 70 plus 10, 80. 8 and 0. 8 10 and 1, 81. 8 tens and 2, 82. 8 tens and 3 ones, 8 and 3, 83. 8 tens and 4 ones, 8 and 4, 84. 8 tens and 5 ones, 8 and 5, 85. 8 tens and 6 ones, 8 and 6, 86. 8 tens and 7 ones, 8 and 7, 87. 8 tens and 8 ones, 8 and 8, 88. 8 tens and 9 ones, 8 and 9, 89. 8 tens and 1 ten, 80 plus 10, 90. 9 and 0. Numbers from 91 to 100. 9 tens and 1, 91. 9 tens, 90 plus 2, 92. 9 tens, 90 plus 3, 93. 9 tens, 90 plus 4, 94. 9 tens, 90 plus 5, 95. 9 tens, 90 plus 6, 96. 9 tens plus 7, 9 and 7, 97. 9 tens plus 8, 9 and 8, 98. 9 tens and 9s, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. 9 and 9, 99. 9 tens, 90 plus 10, 100. Please subscribe my channel and motivate me to make more videos. Thank you. Watch this video repeatedly till you understand.